Hi everyone, it is a great day to review another set of true wireless earbuds, and this time we will look at the SoundPEATS Free2 Classic that was sent to me to test and review, so thank you SoundPEATS. The small box has enough information to make an idea what to expect from these earbuds. Touch controls, IPX5 waterproof and 30 hours playtime, but this is not all and we will see later. The box is compact, inside there is the case with the earbuds. Let's put it on the side for a moment. Then at the bottom there's the user guide which shows how to use the touchpad and what it can do, and then in this small box there are the ear tips in two sizes, medium and large. The small size is already fitted on the earbuds. And there is the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, quite short and easy to store and carry around. This is the case. It has an oval design with the Type-C charging port at the back and the LED at the front. There is nothing else on the case. The case is small, smaller than the AirPods Pro case or the Hi-Tune T3 case, but thicker. It has this leather look, though it is made of plastic and it doesn't have wireless charging. The lid is quite sturdy, not as easy to operate as on other cases. It stays where you open it, so if you open the lid only 50%, it will stay there. If you open it only 25%, it will also stay there. It feels and is manual. It doesn't close regardless of how hard I shake the case. I like these two-tone color cases. Black and grey go well hand in hand, and it is great to see something different for a change, as all of the cases I tested were only in one color. At the back there is a SoundPEATS marking on the hinge, and I like this Type-C port which has a blue accent, quite a nice touch. The SoundPEATS Free2 Classic come only in black. The case is not too slippery thanks to this leather texture, and it can be opened with one hand. The best part is that it doesn't attract fingerprints at all. It is probably one of the smallest cases I've ever had, and it is easy to store and carry around. The earbuds are held in place by magnets, strong ones, and they do not come out when shaken. They are quite small in matte black finish and metal accents for the logo. They have metal mesh for mics on every earbud, which helps to make calls clearer and smoother without interruption. There is a red light on the other side of this metal mesh which is on when the earbuds are charging in the case. On each side of the earbuds there is a touchpad, and we will go through the controls in a few moments. It is very easy to connect these earbuds to your desired device. Just open the case, then on the device go to Bluetooth and you will see the buds at the bottom. Press, connect, and you are ready to go. If you want to connect them to a different device, you will have to disconnect from the current device, then repeat the process on the new device. Unfortunately, they can't connect to two devices at the same time. With the correct ear tips, the fitment is great. They stay in the ears even when I shake the head. In terms of looks, when they are in the ears, they do alright. Being small, they do not protrude out of the ears, and from the front you can barely notice them. I do have big ears and I found them very comfortable. I am sure they will fit smaller ears without any issues. Nevertheless, they are comfortable. I wore them for a couple of hours at a time and it was fine. Before we look into the features, if you got value out of this video, be the cool guy to hit the like button. I can see that 99% of the viewers are not subscribed. It would be great if we can decrease that percentage, so hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of future product reviews. Now let's get back to the video. The SoundPEATS Free2 Classic are packed with a lot of features for the price. Let's start with the media control. On each of the earbuds there is a touch area where I can control the music or the voice assistant or even the volume. Yes, you heard it right, these budget earbuds feature volume control. To increase the volume, single tap on the right earbud. To decrease the volume, single tap on the left earbud. For play, pause or answer a call or end a call, double tap on any of the earbuds. To activate the voice assistant, triple tap on any of the earbuds. For next track or reject a phone call, press and hold on the right earbud for 1.5 seconds. For previous track or reject a phone call, press and hold on the left earbud for 1.5 seconds. To switch between two calls, press and hold on either earbuds for 2 seconds. This only one touch UI comes in handy as there is no need to actually touch the phone in order to increase the volume or to reject a call. The touchpad works great, I haven't encountered any issues. The earbuds have a metal mesh on the microphones to prevent dust to clog the mic. It helps to make calls clearer and smoother without interruption. They have Bluetooth 5.1 for good connectivity. They work great while streaming music. When watching YouTube videos on my phone, I didn't notice any latency at all, which is surprising considering that the other earbuds, more expensive, that I reviewed last time, had a slight delay like a fraction of a second if you look at the person talking and listen to what they say. The Free2 Classic are IPX5 certified, so you don't have to worry about sweat and light rain. In terms of battery, SoundPEATS offer 8 hours of playtime from the earbuds from one single charge and 30 hours in total with a charging case. It takes up to 2 hours to charge the earbuds and the case. The case can be charged via the USB-C cable, but it doesn't have wireless charging and neither fast charge. The Free2 Classic offer great value for money. I am impressed how good they sound, better than an expensive pair of wired earbuds and probably the best in their price range. If you know about the Ampow M30 or saw my review video card above, those were the best budget earbuds I ever tested and reviewed. I still use them in the gym, but these Free2 Classic are not far off. SoundPEATS could have worked a bit more on the mid-range, as I could spot some differences when listening to different styles. Other than that, they sound great. The bass is fine for the price range. I can hear it and feel it. While watching films or anime, the sound is on point. There is no delay in sound at all, which is really impressive now that they only have Bluetooth 5.1 and not 5.2, and other earbuds more expensive have this latency. If you want to use these earbuds on a call or during online meetings, they do a great job. The sound is clear and I didn't notice any drop in connection. At the moment, the sound is recorded via the SoundPEATS Free2 Classic Bluetooth earbuds. For £20, the mics do a great job. The voice is understandable and clear. The microphone doesn't disappoint. This is a sample recorded by the SoundPEATS Free2 Classic. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. The SoundPEATS Free2 Classic are a great pair of true wireless earbuds, being packed with loads of features like IPX5 waterproof, metal mesh for mics to prevent dust clogging, long battery life and even volume control on the touchpad. They don't disappoint with how they sound. The case is super light and quite small, making it easy to store and carry around. I can't find anything that SoundPEATS can improve besides maybe looking into the mid-range. The key word that I use regularly in this review is impressive, and I didn't say it just for the sake of it. I said it because these earbuds are impressive in their price range. So for around $20 or £20 you can't go wrong with them. Well, this is it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to be notified of other product reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.